Hey guys! Today we're gonna do the changing colors celery science experiment. So the experiment is about how plants absorb water and what happens to the plant when you put in colored water. So the materials you need are celery, food coloring, glass or cups, water, and some water which is already put inside, spoons, and a knife. So the first step, primary and secondary colors. Primary colors are blue, yellow, and red. So add at least 5 drops. Oh, that's a big one. I'm gonna stir that. Yes. Don't forget to agitate or stir it. Ooh, this is cool. Okay, I'm gonna dry it. Now, I'm gonna put this up. Add red. This is a good one. Alright, I'm gonna take this. Did I use the spoon? I'm just gonna get the spoon. I'm gonna mix it. Don't forget to agitate. Yellow now. Ooh, that's satisfying. Alright, mix it. Don't forget to mix it. So I'm going to mix yellow and blue together, or I got some yellow, 1 drop of blue, and then 1 drop of red. Oh, let's see if it makes purple. Ooh, that's more like a dark purple. It's still purple. So red and blue mixes purple. To mix blue and yellow. I'm just gonna add the lighter one first. Okay, that's good enough. And some blue. Ooh, it's really mixing in. Green. Green in the back. Alright. So yellow and blue mixes green. Now we're gonna mix red and yellow. I'm adding the light ones first because I don't want it too dark, like what happened to the purple one. I'm just gonna add 1 tiny drop. There you go. See if it mixes orange. Ooh, that's more like a red and yellowish thing. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna add more yellow. See? It's orange. I think I added a little bit too much red, but that's fine. At least it still mixes orange. Red and yellow mixes orange. So here are the colors that I made. There's blue, red, yellow, purple, Now we're on to the celery part. For this one, you might need to ask a grown-up for help, but make sure that you cut extra parts so that it's nice and fresh. Cut this part. There you go. Okay, this one let's cut it. Here's good enough. This on the red. There you go. One last one. Now we are going to go wait until tomorrow and let's see what happens to the celery. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, this is day 1 of what happened to the celery. And as you can see, the leaves are turning blue. Come on guys, let's go see. So as you can see, there are some spots right there. Do you see the corner of the leaves, guys? It's turning the color of the water. All right, and then the yellow one. Ooh, it's actually pretty cool. So yes, the leaves are turning yellow. You can't really see it that much because it's so light. The purple, oh, it's dark. So yes, purple spots. Purples. It looks. Oh my God, there are purple spots and yes, the leaves are turning purple. The purple looks just like blue on it. Looks like a blueberry tree. And then the green one. Yes, the leaves are turning green as usual. And yes, green spots. You can see them easily because this is dark. So okay, that kind of looks like hill grasses, but on celery. And now onto the orange one. Ooh, it kind of looks more like red, but it's going there. It's good. It's good. And the spot and the orange spots and the leaves are turning orange. Alright, so yes, that's our evidence of how the plants absorb the water. Now let's see what the plants happens on day 2. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys, this is day 2 of what happened to the celery. So as you can see, the leaves are turning more of the color than yesterday. And let's go take another closer look at them. So you see the leafy parts of this celery is more. It has more blue on it, and the leaves are turning the color of the water even more than yesterday. And same with the red one. It's turning more of a, I don't know, orange? Oh, I think I know. Because it mixes with the green and with the light green and the red. They're actually looking very cool, not gonna lie. The yellow, as you can see, it's turning more yellow. You can barely see it because it's a light color. yes, the leaves are turning the color yellow. You see, it's turning even more purple than usual yesterday because the water is soaking it. Because the plant is soaking up the water from the cup. And then the green one, it's turning more green than usual and darker. And yes, the water is turning, the leaves are turning green and orange. Orange kind of looks the same as red, but it's more lighter. And yes, it's turning more orange than usual. So this is purple. The bottom part is turning more of a purple blackish, but it's still purple. So yes. And now here's green. It's turning more of a lighter blue, but it's still green, you see? And yeah, that's all I have to say. And orange. Okay, the bottom part is not turning that much red, but it is orange. So yeah, I won't touch that. Okay, so that's what happened to the plants on day 2. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow. Alright? So yeah, bye guys. Zooming out. Hi guys! So this is day 3 of what happened to the celery. So as you can see, the celery is turning more of the color from the water. And let's review it once again. You remember that I poured the water and then I had the food coloring, and it's getting lower. So I poured the water like this much, I believe, and then it got lower and lower to this level. So it got an inch lower. Do you see the line right here? That's the level of the water that I poured in. Okay guys, so the color of the celery is turning even more of the color than last time. And let's look at it again. Let's go guys, let's take a closer look at the celery. The red one is not really absorbing that much water, but the leaves are turning red. And and if you take even a closer look, there's some red lines on the leaves than on the spots. And also the edge of the leaves are turning color too. Mostly turning color. So the bottom part is changing the most color than the upper part. And you see, and the edge of the leaves are turning even more color, like I said earlier. The blue one is really blending into the celery, but whoa, it actually looks like a blueberry tree, but the blueberry is squished up. And it's kind of like the red one, but it's absorbing even more water. And there are also some blue lines on this leaf. And the bottom part is, and kind of like the red one, the bottom part is absorbing more water than the top part. Oh yeah, and the end of the stem is changing color too, like right here. Over here. Right here, it's turning blue as well. Oh my gosh, you can barely see the yellow, but I know it's changing color. I can see that the corner of the leaves are turning more of the color than the rest. And the color of the leaf, and it's also the same as the blue and red one. The color in the bottom part is absorbing more water than the top part. So the purple is more of a black and dark blue, but it's getting used to it. And it's getting even more than the color than the rest, but it actually looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. And wow, why are the bottom ones are sure absorbing more water than the top ones? It's a nice dark purple. The green is kind of like the yellow one. The leaves are drying up a bit, but that doesn't matter. And the green is kind of matching the original color of the celery, but it's more an original green than a lighter green. And it pretty much looks like that the top one is kind of absorbing more water, but the bottom part is actually most absorbing water. The last one. Whoa, this one looks like the color of fall. Kind of looks like a tree with fallen leaves. And the edges of the leaves are turning orange. And I think this one's my favorite one because it's the color of the fall. It's color of the season fall. Okay guys, let's take a closer look at the purple one, for example. I will show you how this happens. I'll show you how capillary action works. So the water is right here, and you can see some parts of the stem, some parts right here, and it's traveling up, and you can see this part of the stem. You can clearly see it, and it's on the stem that it spreads around to the leaves, and that's how plants get their nutrients from the water. So the water moves up to the stem and it spreads around the leaves, and it spreads, and the water has to spread all over the parts of the plants, and it spreads to the leaves, and it mostly spreads to the leaves. So yeah, that's how capillary action works. That's why the color of the celery is purple, because the water goes to the stem and spreads around the parts of the plant. In conclusion, the celery is turning the color of the water. I know this happens because the evidence of the bottom part of the stem and the color of the celery. This process is called capillary action. Capillary action is a force that fights against gravity. This mostly happens in water, like what's happening to the celery. So that's the end. Thank you guys for watching me step by step. And I hope this video helps you understand how capillary action works and how plants absorb water. My favorite color is the orange one. What's yours? Comment down below what's your favorite color of the celery. Bye!